Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a few of the things I created during this class, this semester. My favorite artifact I made this semester is the Nearpod I made for content management and interactive tools. And I really like how Nearpod makes lessons very interactive for students. I also like that students can move through lessons and the embedded activities within the lesson at their own pace, and that you have multiple diverse choices of activities to choose from when adding them into your lesson, so that students can showcase their knowledge in a multitude of ways. Creating this page taught me that technology can be used to facilitate lessons that cater towards every type of student. Now I'm going to take you guys to the portfolio page that I found most difficult during the semester. This was the Digital Learning Day / Online Learning, or Blended Learning. So, I found this page most challenging because I had a lot of trouble organizing my ideas and creating a hyperdoc that wasn't too similar to the examples I viewed in the module. I overcame my challenges by using a hyperdoc template instead of trying really hard to make my multi-day lesson completely different and unique from what I'd seen in the module. I figured that sticking to an easy template would be fine, since this was my first time making a multi-day lesson, and that I didn't need to try so hard to be different if it was causing so much difficulty for me. I was placing an extremely high standard on myself when there is no need to cause myself extra stress. So this is my hyperdoc for the multi-day lesson. The last creation I want to share with you guys is under Student Response / Assessment Tools page. So going there, and this lesson idea that I created is titled Following the Sun. It's a lesson about how the sun's position throughout the day affects the shadows of stationary objects on Earth. I will probably use this lesson idea in the future because it allows students to make personal choices about their learning and collaborate with peers through a student-led approach. The student-led rather than teacher-led approach to learning is one teacher practice that I learned through the modules in this class. I believe it benefits students because it gives them a voice and a choice, allows them to learn and create at their own pace, and gives them a sense of responsibility for their personal education through independence. Thank you guys for joining me and looking at some of my creations from this semester.